guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Eddie Funkhouser Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Eddie, for teaming up on this video with me. I'm so excited to show all of the products, and this in particular, this beautiful palette here. This is the new Rockstar palette. I'm thinking we're gonna go into these purple tones. I already primed my eyes, so let's just go ahead and hop in. So I'm hopping in. I'm actually gonna use this first, and I'm gonna use this middle shade as my transition shade. But y'all trying to interrupt my YouTube?
She's taking care of me.
At least somebody is. I gotta work. I'm busy. Are you feeling better?
Nope.
He's not feeling better.
I can't feel it.
Ben has acquired an allergy attack from remodeling our very old home. His prognosis, it's better. He's doing well, but I'll just say that the whole room right now smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. It's very refreshing. Back to the tutorial. So I'm using this Eddie Funkhouser Ultra Definition Bronze and Sculpt Powder, Pyramid Bronze. I'm just using the center one, and I needed a little bit of a warm transition shade, and that's one of the reasons I love this product, because you can use it for your bronzer, you can use them individually, or you can swirl them all together to create a really beautiful bronze, which we will do in just a moment. But for right now, I'm just gonna get a warm crease going. So I'm taking the beautiful Rockstar palette now. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. I'm gonna go into this shade here called Rock Royale, and I'm using a pencil brush. Any pencil brush, honestly. I don't have a favorite at the moment, but I'm going to try placing this in the crease. And then I'm gonna bring it down. I just want to show you, my brush is not wet, but look at this. That's some serious pigment, you guys. And I'm just going to kind of buff it on the outer part of the eye. This is a beautiful color. Reminds me of a fish, doesn't it, you, Ben? He's gonna say no. Look at that, it's so pretty. Yeah, that's the vibe. All right, guys, so I've just switched to a flatter blending brush, and I'm just going to diffuse the edges. And I'm just kind of giving it just a very soft wing effect. Look how beautiful this is blending. All right, guys, I'm going into this shade now, and I'm using just a flat brush. And this is the shade New York Doll. And you can see I already have it on over there, and it's absolutely breathtaking. And I kind of just go all the way down the lid first. My brush is not wet either. This is just how pigmented these are. And I'm just going to kind of melt it over into the other purple shade. And I'm kind of carving out my lid, but I'm doing that without wetting the brush or even carving out the lid with concealer, because I don't need it to be super perfect. The shadow's kind of just pigmented enough to do it by itself. Now I'm going into Foxy Roxy and my little detail brush, and I'm just kind of, I already did a little bit, but I loved it so much, I'm just going to do another layer. That can't be tamed on the inner corner. Just popping that on there. Okay, fun times. Let's move on to liner. This has actually become one of my favorite eye pencils because I like to use it to create a line and then smoke it out, and it stays wet longer, so it gives me a lot more time to be able to smoke out the wing. We're just gonna do a light smoky effect here on the lash line. I'm going to go into this shade here called Gritty Pretty, which is the black shade. And I'm just going to use the pencil brush and just lightly smoke out this wing area. I'm gonna bring it all the way over. I'm not gonna take it all the way over here because I want a more cat eye effect. But we're just gonna lightly smoke this out. I'm gonna focus most of the black on the outer part of the eye. I'm gonna take the eye pencil again and just run this on my waterline. Give us a real catty look. I love this because it's so easy and it's so soft, and it just glides right on your waterline without having to jab yourself in the eye. So this is actually my first time using this foundation. This is the Eddie Funkhouser LUXLIGHT Revitalizing Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. And let me tell you how not mad I am about this. This is looking like perfect. You can see it over here. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I kind of just put it on my cheek. And you can see it right there. I wanted to show it like directly out of the bottle, and
looks like it's semi-full coverage.
it is.
That's my
medium.
favorite type of foundation.
Medium coverage.
Because you can still see your freckles a little bit, looks natural.
Me and my freckles. He's like noticing that I have freckles now.
I love your
Those
freckles.
sunspots. Not a nice.
Not sunspots.
Not a nice boy.
You've had them since you were 14.
Oh, you've known me so long. You've been calling me out for years now.
Try to say something nice.
Don't do it.
I won't.
It's not safe.
It's not.
All right, guys, I'm gonna use this Eddie Funkhouser concealer. I'm digging it. It's really lightweight. It feels really, really good. And I actually love the way this smells. I'm using the shade Medium. I wish I'd had a little bit more of a pinky shade, but this will do in a pinch. And I'm just gonna work this in with my blender. So I just want to kind of show you guys this blending in.
Looks pretty good.
It does look very good.
Good color match.
It's a little yellow. I would want it a little brighter and a little pinker, just a touch, but I'm not upset with it at all. I'm loving the way it goes into the skin. It's beautiful. Just some different colors, and which I know they have different colors. I have light here too, but that one's a little too yellow. But you guys know I'm all about that pinky neutral.
Because you're olivey.
No, I'm not olivey. I'm neutral.
You're neutral olive.
Well, I just think you want to throw olives at me. Nothing witty?
Oh, I have stuff.
Come on now. Oh, that's why I literally look up, you guys, and he's looking off in the distance like this, thinking.
I was gonna say, I promise I'll leave you alone.
See? See, I knew something was coming. I was waiting, and I was like, we're like a TV show. We like wait. I'm like, well, where's he at? What happened to him over there?
Are you gonna put all of it on?
I sure am. All of it. All right, guys, I've started to bronze with my Ultra Definition Bronze and Sculpt Powder. Just gonna run it across there real fast. And I'm just going to just bronze, not really contouring. You can contour, you can actually just go in and grab each color individually, but I just like swirling them together for just an all over glowy bronze effect. And I'm just going to go underneath here. You guys know the normal bronze spots. I'm going to take the original shade that we started with, the Rock Royale, and I'm just going to buff this on the bottom lash line and kind of melt it into the black liner that's in our waterline. I'm just going to pull a little bit of that down and just really smoke this out. And I'm just using a pencil brush to do this. Woo! Lighten up that cheekbone. I'm using, you hush, you're scaring me.
That's bright.
I'm using the Glow Drops, the Eddie Funkhouser Glow Drops. We're gonna do this, and then we're also gonna layer on another highlighter because we're that extra. But for right now, we are. But for right now, we're just kind of going to town with this. All right, guys, I'm gonna use this Side Street Blossom Blush from Eddie Funkhouser. Just gonna fluff this on with my brush. It'll go over the highlighter because we got another highlighter coming in. Ben's all concerned, but it's gonna be so pretty.
Now you fixed it. It was blinded by the light.
Well, you know, I just gotta blend it in a little. You just gotta have faith in the skills. The skills.
I know your skills.
And then,
Your addiction.
I also wanted to show this to you guys because we're gonna be giving this away. We're gonna be giving this, we're gonna be giving away a Rockstar palette, and there was something else, and it's all, oh, and the Glow Drops. Woo, I might throw something else in there. But make sure you subscribe to my channel here and leave a comment below. I'll talk about more about the giveaway in a minute, but for right now, we need some more highlighter. All right, guys, we're gonna be giving this away.
What are we doing?
Even though I don't wanna give it away because it's mine. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is the Eddie Funkhouser Love Glow. This is, what's it called? I know the shade's called Love Glow, but it's the Luminous Powder. Look at that. Where was this? It's like lit from within, beautiful. Put it across here, across here, across here, and a little up here. A little up here. I like layering my highlighters because it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be super bright. It just means that it's going to be more dimensions, and that's what it's all about, to create life on the face. And this is an Eddie Funkhouser brush, and I really liked it, but I'm not sure the name of it. But of course, I'll have it listed below. Okay, we're almost done, so we can talk about this giveaway. Now we're going to do, of course, like a peachy nude. Loving this formula. It's very light, and you can kind of still see my lip color through it, so it's really pretty. It's called Skinny Dip. Of course it is. Y'all know that my lips be naked. And I'm not even gonna do a liner. And I like this because it's gonna add a little bit of a plumping effect because it's not too matte. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I mean, it's speaking for itself. Eddie Funkhouser Cosmetics Bomb.com. I've been using it. I've actually been trying it out. So this is my first time. They actually just sent me the foundation and the concealer. I'm absolutely obsessed. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's go ahead and do a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away the Rockstar palette, the Glow Drops, and I keep forgetting what these are called, the Luminous powder. I'm gonna give away all this good stuff. I think we should throw in some more. We'll figure out what it is, but it'll be a bunch of Eddie Funkhouser goodies. All you have to do is, of course, follow me here on YouTube, follow Eddie Funkhouser on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram. I will have the official rules in the description bar. All you gotta do is click that, follow those rules, and you will be entered in the giveaway. I will pick a winner. And what is today? Does anybody know what day it is? I will, you know what, because I don't know what day this is going to be up because, you know, Ben's a little under the weather. I will have the date in the description bar when it ends and when it starts. All the official rules will be there. It will also be posted on my Instagram as well, and that'll have everything really clear. Just make sure that you thumbs up, subscribe, follow both of us on Instagram, and you will be good to go. And like I said, official rules will be below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait for you to try this stuff. You guys are going to be over the moon about it. Thank you again. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.